I just wanted to point out to everyone that wasps are pollinators too. Now he's noticed me here and he's checking on me, but these guys are docile. He's just watching to make sure I'm not going to do anything. He's washing his little antennas. And now back to the flowers and back to pollinating. So you don't have to kill everything all the time. And they're important. So if it's not coming after you to harm you, especially these orangey guys, you can just leave them alone. And that is my nature PSA for the day. Thank you, Mr. Orange Wasp, for giving an excellent demonstration. And keep it up. Good job.